Hey guys, Evil Vacuumman here today, and today we have a Hoover convertible, and we got some dirt right here, so I'm gonna be using it to clean it up. So here we go. That was a Hoover convertible. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.